Today I'm going to show you the Blendjet. It's a cordless portable blender that recharges with a USB-C port. So how it works is, first of all, it can come apart. Whoops, I accidentally hit the power button there. It's got three parts. The bottle, which is a thick non-BPA plastic, and it has the marks for the capacity, which is 6 ounces up to 450 milliliters. And the cap has a little handle, and it has a silicone seal inside. So that goes on top. Well, we'll leave that off for now. And the inside has a 6-bladed blender. You can see it's off center here. That helps it blend up chunky items. So what we do is we put the bottle on the bottom. Make sure that's fully screwed in. There are 2 little arrows, I'm not sure if you can see those right there, that line up to let you know that it's fully attached correctly. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some almond milk in the bottom. Put a little almond milk there. I'm going to put a little chia seed. This is my after workout quick little smoothie. So a few chia seeds there. Good for protein. And then I have some perfect keto chocolate collagen, which is really good. Put a scoop of that in there. Like so. And I got a few ice cubes here I'm going to pour in. And then I'm going to put a little more milk in here. Fill this up about like so. And then let's put the lid on there. Maybe. There we go. Make sure that's all tightened down. There we go. It will blend for 20 seconds and then it will turn off automatically. And it's done. So let's see if it actually blended up the chia seeds, which can be a problem with smoothies. Let's get a straw here. Well, the ice is all blended up, and I'm not, I can see a few chia seeds, but I think some of them are actually blended up. So that's the first test of the Blendjet. Now let's try another smoothie, this time with some frozen fruit. So for this one, I'm going to pour a little bit of cold water in the bottom. Like so. And I like things to be sweet, so I'm going to put a couple stevia packets in here. And then I'm going to put some frozen whole strawberries. There'll be a test for this thing if it can blend those up. So I've got 5 strawberries. Let's put a few raspberries in there too. Without making too much of a mess. Okay. pour the rest of the water in here. Put the cap back on it. Kind of wobble a little bit, but it hasn't fallen over yet. You get a straw. Let's see how that did. I think that there's a bunch of ice from the strawberry, but we'll see if it blended them up or not. Actually, so that's blended perfectly.